Hello, good morning, students. Hello, how are you?
Morning, ma'am. Fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good here. I'll be muting your things. You will not be heard by me. Just keep listening to me so that I can tell you all other things. Hi, good morning. Right? So, many are there, new children. And you please mute your videos. Don't have your videos with us. Okay, Tejashwini, Mahid, what is this? Madhivya, right? Monica, Priya, Sandeep, Anushri, Ketana, Suhana, Bhavana, Anusha, Sanjay, Prem, Param, Jyoti, all of them, right? So you're all here. Hello, how are you? So welcome to the college age, right? So you have come to the college now from your 10th school level, high school level, what we call it. We can call this as the adolescent age. And I am Dr. Hemlata. I am teaching you biology, full of biology. Okay. So, good morning. And fine, Nimita. Okay. So, I want you to have something about biology, some idea about biology, right? Most of you people think that I am taking biology because I want to do medicine. But I'll tell you one thing. You do biology because you love yourself. Yes? You love to know about yourself, your health, your environment, your food, then your thinking capacity, your ability to perform well. You know all this. So you have to learn biology for all this. Okay? And I hope you people have your own ideas. Srijit. No, Sharijit. No, Sharit. Sharit. Good morning. Chetana. Good morning. 43 members are there. Hemashri is there. My name is also Dr. Hemlata. I am also Hemlata madam. Shifa, hi, good morning. Shalini, good morning. How are you all? Are you excited to enter PUC? Yes. So not just because PUC is something higher grade, we should be happy because you will be learning new things now. Ma'am, I am not able to hear your voice. What's up? What about other children? Can you hear me? Tanushri, Kirtana, can you hear me? Jeevan Kumar is not able to hear my voice. So others are hearing. Something wrong with you, Jeevan. You just check your internet properly. All are hearing. Yes, all they can hear me. They can hear me. Okay, Jeevan, you have to check your internet, dear. Misbah Fatima. Yeah, they can hear. Okay, fine, good. Smriti, you can hear. Very good. Bhavana, Elaine, Karishma, right? Sakina, you can switch off your videos. Hemashri, you switch off your videos. Mute your videos. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Okay, then we'll now talk about what is there in our biology program, right? So first thing, biology is the subject. Shavya, switch off. All of you. See, whenever you enter our online class, first thing is you switch your videos off mode. Mute yourself. Even I will mute you. Right? We will be having one-side conversation. Okay? And any doubts or any queries you want, you can chat there. Right? You should chat there. You should ask me, Madam, this I don't know, this I want to know. Anything is subject related. Don't ask me where you stay, ma'am. All those things are not concerned to you. Okay? Even I don't ask you. Okay? So, for biology, what we need? Ma'am, I'm new to your class. See, all are new only today, dear. Priyanka, this is a new batch. All are new today. Even I am new to you. Isn't it? Fine. Now, before I start, have you watched the videos, my previous videos earlier, what we have done? Did you watch all of them? First, that is my question. Okay, let me see how many. Saubha, yeah, switch off. Yes, you have watched. Yashashwini watched, Anushri watched, Chetana, Tanushri, yes, not all. So there is no option. You have some time within 1 week to finish all of them. Not all of them. You should watch. No, what is wrong with that? Why didn't you watch? First thing, why did you not able to watch? Any particular reason that you could not watch it? Can you tell me? Very few ma'am joined recently, but still fine. Huh? One day you can watch 1.5 videos, so many 1.5 hour videos. You didn't know. Okay, I took admission recently. Okay, ma'am, we didn't. Okay, Sadia is saying she was very new. Ma'am, we did get some videos. Yesterday I got admitted to the college. Okay, Priyanka, no issues. My admission was done yesterday. Okay, no issues, dear. Sakina, that's all fine. Rakesh, you switch off your video. I'm observing you. Okay, fine. So better you keep your videos off because I can watch you. People will be in what position, I don't know. Right? That's a major issue. Our students and all will be. I'm not able to hear your voice. Rakesha, I can see you. You're walking around and watching my video. Rakesh. Switch off your video, baby. Done. Shalini, Rakesh, they're all switching it on. You can't hear me, Hemashri. You check your internet. You check your internet whether you can hear. You have muted me also. So many times we can mute ourselves. Then you can't hear. You can mute the person who is talking also. That might have happened. Hemashri, you just check. Okay? Okay then, listen, all of you, all those who have come today, tomorrow, whatever new people, everybody, you should watch the previous video. It's compulsory. Are you getting it? Because we have started some of them, but not only that, I will give you all informations now, some of the connecting things I will explain. Right? Is it fine? I will give some summary of what we have done. Then watch the videos. Previously, what we have done, we have to see. Okay, then? Okay, fine. So now I'll give you some instructions. If you, as you people have taken biology, PCMB students who are, you need to have some important things for being a biology student. Okay, being biology student, what is that specialty you should have? You must have a keen observation. Very important thing is, because you are not school children anymore. In schools and all, there was no descriptive thing to be written more. Here you need to understand the subject. Are you understanding it? You should analyze. See, we give the question based on knowledge, memorizing certain things. You had been muted me, ma'am, so I am unable to hear. Arey yaar, I muted you means you should not talk, Jeevan. I have muted you because you should not talk and disturb me. You might have muted me also. Check it. Others are able to hear and you are not able to hear me. Means check your sound quality. First you increase the sound. Mobile and ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sound ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ increase ಮಾಡೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ sound increase ಮಾಡೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಯು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೀ Arey yaar, I had been not muted Mia. Ma'am, you had been not muted me. So I'm unable to hear. I muted everybody. I muted everyone. Okay? So check that technique. See, I'm not a technical person. I'm telling you what to do. Right? Other than that, I don't know anything about much of the computer things. Fine? Okay, fine. Jeevan, check it. Okay, don't make these as a big issues, okay? Aman, from Carmel College. I can see you. You are sitting in a hall. Yes. So better you don't do that. Okay. So our main aim today, we are here to make you understand how to go with biology. Right. For biology, we have two books. Right. I'll just write it on the board. You keep watching. I change my camera. Okay. So what we have, I'll just erase this. The previous class thing, what I have written. Okay. So what we have, first PUC biology. First PUC what in biology of the life. Okay. First you will have to have you will get it from our side. One book, textbook. It is called EPL. It is EPL is the practice and learn book. It is a green book you will get, or you may get soft copies now. Okay. EPL is a textbook actually. You will get textbook of this, and another one you will get as a Transcend. Transcend. It is for NEET and CET. This is for the board. So you get two books from our side. One is EPL, one is Transcend. Right? EPL normally for board syllabus I keep on covering one chapter after another chapter. At the end of every chapter we will do NEET questions. Because just board will not work now. How they differ? In board paper, okay, we have all the units that need description. Descriptive answers you should have. Descriptive questions I will ask you from the board. Right? Like you have in the question paper, you will have 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, 3 mark questions, and 5 mark questions. Where you will have to write this in one word or a sentence. 2 mark, around 2 lines or 2 differences they will ask you. This, a small paragraph you should write. This, a big description of at least 2 pages will be there with the diagrams. This is our board syllabus. Board way you will have to write this. Every college will do it. What is speciality out of our EduShrine? I'll tell you. After every chapter when I do this, I will solve the questions connected with the NEET. That is National Entrance Eligibility Entrance Test. Right? So what is this NEET exam? I'll tell you now. For this we have multiple choice questions. Okay. Here we have for every chapter around 100 to 200 questions in your Transcend book. Okay. Keep listening now. Don't talk anything. You have 100 to 200 questions in each chapter. Right. And all those you can solve easily when I go through the board along with the NEET points in this only. I'll explain, not separate them. Board syllabus, in that only I'll add this is extra. This is NEET part. Whenever I do it, I'll explain it. This is what is the board syllabus. What you have to learn extra, that I will explain. So you have to learn together. After every chapter, you are going to learn the Transcend book where you learn the NEET questions or CET questions. Okay. This is our book pattern, what we have. Even apart from that, you have NCERT, the textbook by the board. This also you should have. These two we are going to give you. This textbook, if you have, it is better with you. Right? It is anyway available. You can ask from your seniors also. Right? These are the book patterns. So now what I do is, don't write anything. Just when I want you to write, you write it. You maintain the notebooks. What you maintain? What you need to maintain the notebooks? You need first biology. Only for biology I'll explain. For biology we have 1 part botany, 1 part zoology. Okay. Botany and zoology you have to learn separately. Right? You should analyze what is botany. It is about the plants. Zoology is about the animals. So coming to the biology NEET, I give you now. What is speciality of biology NEET examination? Normally, NEET examination, national entrance test. It is overall India, one test will happen for getting entry into all medical aspects. Means you may go to MBBS, you may go to paramedical courses like homeopathy, Ayurveda and all, or you can go for other biological related anesthesian or dietitian, all that, or you can go to agriculture, you have to go to pharmacy, or any genetic engineering or a biological engineering subject, you should go through this test only. Okay. Then NEET examination. What is speciality of NEET examination? CET is our Karnataka examination for getting entry into the normally engineering. Earlier it was for engineering and medical. Now you cannot go to medicine by clearing the CET. Through CET, some of the agricultural colleges you can get entry, but mainly you should face the NEET examination. It is slightly higher level examination. Okay. So what is that NEET contains? So normal NEET examination have physics, chemistry and biology. 3 subjects will be there. Okay. Remember this. Among that, physics you will have 45 questions. Chemistry will have 45 questions. Biology will have 90 questions. Okay. Each question carry 4 marks. Okay. 45 into 4. You will get how much? 180 for physics. Chemistry 180. Biology together 360. So totally you are writing 720 marks examination. 720 no? Check, calculate it. 360, 360. Okay. $720 total marks will be there for NEET. So now I want you to get the idea why biology is so important. Because we have 360 marks in biology, right? Here you should score. We will make you score actually. Our students have already done it. Almost 320 plus they will score to get the NEET rank in biology. So in all of them you should go 150, above 150, here about 320 plus 3 for plus some of them they are taken. They can get the ranking in NEET. Okay. So you don't have to now bother about I was in school like this, I was very happy and all, don't worry about it. Now you are really into the competition world, right? Where you can prove yourself. Prove yourself for yourself, not to the world, right? I am eligible to do this. I am the first rank student. You can talk about yourself for you only, right? Most of them, whenever they join and all, they will have a lot of dreams. I will do this and do that. Slowly dreams get diminishing. Then new dreams will start. Don't do that. Whatever your dreams, you keep them alive till you achieve them. Okay. So this is about the NEET examination pattern. Okay. So each question will be 4 mark question here. Did you understand? Any doubts still here? You want to ask anything? Please ask me. Tanujri, Kirtana, Hemant, Bhavana, Jeevan, can you listen to me now? Jeevan, where did he go? Jeevan? Yeah. Anything you have doubts, anything, you can ask me. No doubts. Okay. Very good. So, are you listening then properly? You should have doubts. Very good. So, means you are very intelligent children. Right. So, now I will talk about biology now. So, biology NEET will have 2 units. Botany and zoology. We will get 45 questions from botany, 45 questions from zoology. Right? But one thing is, whatever you get it from botany and zoology, It doesn't differentiate first PUC, second PUC and all. Together from first PUC only you will have to learn all of them. They are mixed up. They will not give, okay, only from botany this much, from first PUC, second PUC. No, lot of part in the botany is there in first PUC only. So if you are strong in first PUC in the subject, then you go well in the future subjects, right? Second PUC will become very simple to you. So first PUC we have a lot of botany and mainly important subjects in biology. So you need to go through my videos which I have done previously and be prepared by the time within 1 or 2 days. Get prepared and ask me anything you want to discuss, which chapter you want to discuss, which you are not clear, those things. And now when we are doing online classes, I will give the complete explanation and it will be interactive. I'll keep asking you. Somebody is asking some doubts. Let me check. For negative marking, 1 mark gets minus for each question per 4 mark. Okay, good question. Mahadiya, Rukkaya. Okay, listen. So negative marking is quarter marks. Okay, written, suppose correct questions. So right answers, right ones and the correct ones and wrong ones are right here. Suppose correct questions you have answered 10. So 10 into 4 you got totally 40 marks. 40 marks, no? All is the answers. Suppose you have written answers 4 wrong. For each question, for 1 wrong question, you get quarter marks lost. So if you have written 4 wrong answers, then it will be minus 1. Right? So your total marks will be 40 minus 1, that is 39. Means from your right answers you lose 1 mark. Right? If you write 4 wrong answers, you lose 1 mark, it will become 39. Okay? So the reverse, suppose you have written 10 right, imagine 20 wrong. 20 quarter, how much it is? How many marks you are going to lose? 5 marks you are going to lose. So it is 40 minus 5 is equal to, you will get 35. This is how you are going to write it wrong. Wrong answers. Are you getting quarter marks? 4 questions, 1 mark, 1 is gone. Right? Did you understand this? Okay, Aisha, I will let you know. Did you understand Madhya? Well, how to call you? How to pronounce your name? Madhya. Madhya. Okay, Madhya. Aisha. When you missed it? Saubhya. Saubhya, where you lost? Madhya. Okay. What do you want me to repeat? Neat pattern, huh? Okay, listen. So for that girl, just 1 minute back, you just came 1 minute back, huh? You just joined 1 minute back. Saubha. Then what happened? You want me to repeat it, revise it. Okay. So again and again, I keep telling you all this. NEET is the national test, 1 test for PCB students, physics, chemistry, biology students. It is the entry examination to all the medical courses, paramedical courses and agriculture, pharmacy and all those. Okay. Just 1 minute back what I did is NEET examination will be divided into 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology. Physics has 45 questions, chemistry has 45 questions, biology has 90 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. So totally 180 for the physics and chemistry, biology 360 marks. Together it should be around 720, right? So to get the good ranking, you should score around minimum 650 plus or 700, nearing 700, right? Then only you will get ranks. For this, there is a competition. But getting entry is simple. How? I am explaining you everything now. As in biology, because biology has more weightage, na? So biology classes also will be more. As I told you, biology will have botany and zoology, 45 questions. And botany questions and zoology questions are not just from first PUC taken or second PUC taken, it's mixed up. Most of the botany is there in important botany portion is there in the first PUC. So most of the time students when they enter PUC they say that your first PUC maja mat badana, second PUC wo dana agla. You should learn from the beginning because lot of important chapters in botany are there in first PUC only. Even zoology like human physiology and all which is really required for medicine, it is there in first PUC. So therefore don't keep in your mind that okay somehow I will manage this year, next year I'll think what I will sit and study. This will not work, right? And I told you these are all multiple choice. Don't be happy. Lot of answers are confusing. All the 4 look similar. So unless and until you are very much sure about that answer, you cannot write it. Lot of things go wrong because 4 wrong answers you lose 1 mark. Okay? 30 wrong, 5 marks is gone. From the marks which you are getting it from the right questions, you are losing marks. That's what is problem. That's the reason it's called negative marking. Negative marking, if it happens, sometimes you will go, don't think that everything I should mark 1, 2, A, B, C, D, and all. No. Unless you are very sure, don't mark them. Right? So, whenever they give examination, they'll give one sheet like this. It is an electronic sheet where they would have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all of them. And here there will be choice for you. There will be, here they will give what are the options. A, B, C, D. This is how your electronic sheet for marking will be like this, mark. In this you will have small rounds like this. Okay. Suppose first question answer is, you think it is B. You will have to darken this with a ballpoint pen. Okay. If the third question, second question answer, suppose you don't get. If you don't get, don't simply imagine. Third question is B. Let's see. Next is C. Like this you keep on counting. Okay. If your answers are right, one question you will get 4 marks. Are you getting it? This is how will be the electronic sheet where you do not have to darken them, and once you are written with ballpoint pen, you cannot cross them. Suppose you are written again, all of them I will mark it here. Suppose imagine you are written here one more D. If it is wrong, you can't do crossing. This cannot be done. Once you mark it, it is done, over. Again you can't change it. You don't mark madide, is invalid answer. This cannot be considered. Are you getting it? So therefore, whenever you are marking and all, you should be very specific in marking. Right? This is your NEET examination pattern. They'll give you question paper. With that, you will have to answer marking. Only this sheet you are going to give them. Right? If you give them according to through computer analysis, there is a computerized sheet. They will identify how much marks you have got. Okay? Through computer only it is done. So don't do markings and all. Don't tear this sheet and all. Yours is invalid. Are you getting it? This is how it is done in the main examination. Till that time, we all have to prepare for the examination. Okay? I told you what? Somebody has written so big answer. So much. Ma'am, please tell me how should I complete all portions you have done. I am actually not aware of what all portions have been done. Aisha Siddika. Okay. Where do we get your videos for the portions you have covered? Okay, good. Our other children can write. Those who have watched the videos, please answer for their question. So many students have watched it, no? Let them answer. So you will be more convinced. Our students, you will make one group later, but right now they will tell you how to watch them. Okay, now did you understand this pattern of question answers? Did you understand this? The links sent to us. They are sent YouTube links in the group. See Shifa. Shifa is writing. So you include Shifa, you make one group of yours, Carmels, or all the group. 13 hours for a day to cover classes. Ma'am, I spent. Yes, you need it. No worries. I will also revise them. Some of the things I will revise. Don't worry, Yashasvi. Yashasvi girl or boy, I don't know. I will cover them. You just go through that, and actually I told very slowly. If you have watched my videos, I told them very slowly. Girl, good girl. Listen, see, don't panic yourself. First thing. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No worries. Shifa, you to spend, right? You spend and watch it. Almost some days they will give you, right? And somebody was asking how to get them and all. You put their names. Somebody make a group ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಬ್ಬರದಾರ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Then good, no? So Tejaswini and others you have watched, no? Did you feel is it fast? I tell them so slowly. I give them some time to draw. I give them some points to write down. Everything part by part, step by step I'm giving. So best those who are getting panic, no, don't get panic. Just watch the video. Feel, oh my God, it's 10, answer. Don't worry. I have done a lot of classes, but it is too fast. Oh my goodness. No, ma'am, it is not fast. Arey, don't give controversial statements like this. Yes, I teach them slowly only while writing notes. I will ask them to improve. See, listen, biology engandre idu mathematics alla. Are you right? Okay, don't worry. I say you will get it. You will get the link. If you are given proper mobile number, you get the link. You have to get through that. Good. You are all understanding. Very nice. Concepts are very clear and very you can understand. And I have maintained the notes also. Very good. Actually, I watch ಮಾಡಿ notes ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ best ಕೆಲಸ. You have to maintain notes. That's good, no? She has done already maintaining notes. Tejaswini. Okay. So all of you, without problem, you can follow what we have done. Good. All of you are doing it. So you need not much bother about it. So what all I have done, I am giving just gist. But before that, you watch the videos. Okay, don't come and here only ask, oh, that I didn't understand you, or she's finishing so fast and all. Don't worry. Watch the videos. Take some time to watch the videos. Understood? All of you. Okay. Now, the biological patterns are there. Biology is a descriptive subject. Remember? All of you now don't message, listen to me first. It is a descriptive, it is not like other mathematical subjects where you can just simply write something, some formula and add it, you get mathematics answers. It's not that way. Biology questions are based on knowledge, based on logic, based on description, based on memory, based on application. So our questions are having different patterns. Just observe what I'm saying. So this you have followed. Have you followed this? Don't worry about others. Did you follow how to mark and all? Later again we will teach you how to mark them. But right now I want to show you this. Computerized sheet will be there. In that you have to mark like this. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about the previous videos you how to watch. Okay. And I'll tell you what is that different in biology compared to other two subjects, physics and chemistry. Right? First thing is, biology needs, first thing, biology needs, first one, proper listening. You should listen to me properly. First way of information entry, you should never stop it. Because you should know that why you have to do it. See, we have brain like this. Okay. Brain is like this. Here we have cerebrum. This is called cerebrum. And in cerebrum we have lobes. The first lobe is called as the place of intelligence. All have brain, no? All of you? You got it, no? This is the intelligence area. Whole of this is called the cerebrum. Okay. This requires, first thing, observation. Right? Then questioning, answering, describing, practicing, recollecting, and logic. Very important. This is what we call it as a intelligence. Intelligence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದು. ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಚಿತ್ರ, ನಾನೀಗ ಹೇಳೋವಾಗ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಿಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಟ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ರೈಟ್? ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. What you do is you listen properly, concentrate in listening, be at that moment. ಈ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, our brain is so intelligent, everything it has. Only thing is we are not doing it. We think that I am a superman, superwoman, I can do anything without anybody's help. It will not happen. All humans are same. Our IQ is same. Our brain is 1.5 kg same. All of us. Only why some become intelligent, some will not become intelligent is some people are very much, actually they are very much to their aim. They go with their aim. They do all this. They listen, observe, question themselves. Not to me. Question themselves. Even if you have doubts, you can ask me. But you have to wait till I finish it. ಇನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it shows that you are not even listening properly. Just questioning, some people will be, some children are ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ questioning will not indicate you are intelligent. Questions will arise in your brain. Wait till you get answers for that. You will get answers. And our brain only has answering area. The question will be answering area irutte namage. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓನ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತದೆ. ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀನು ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ during respiration, use water with sun energy, produce glucose. Glucose is our food. Along with it, produce oxygen during photosynthesis. This is the logic behind it. So we require oxygen for our breathing. So without plants, we are dead. That is how conclusion should be drawn. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Plants ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We are there because plants are there. This is the tagline. You give your own reasons, right? ಏನ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗಿದೆ? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ವೈ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ live without the plants? Why we cannot live without the plants? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್. It will undergo photosynthesis, uses carbon dioxide, water, using sunlight. It will produce glucose, and byproduct is oxygen. We require glucose for our food, oxygen for our breathing. So if that is not there, we don't have food, we don't have air, we are no more. Are you understanding? This is how logic has to be applied. Are you getting it? Fine. So when I am talking, you be concentrating on what I am talking. Right? ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you all those students who have come newly should watch the videos once for the previous units. Now this thing you should be very clear. First you should be listening properly. After that you should observe. Observation means ಈಗ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, I draw like this, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಬರ್ದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ I swell it up. See, you keep watching, don't be in hurry to draw. One swelling ಬರ್ದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು outgrowth ಬರ್ದೆ. You should watch how I'm drawing. Brain will catch everything. Brain is very intelligent. You catch each and every point. When I'm drawing, I don't want you to write down the points or write down the drawings. You just keep watching, observing diagrams. So, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕರ್ವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ the female structure. Then I am drawing the male structure. Then I will label. This is called calyx or the sepal. This is called corolla or the petals. This is called stamen or anther. This is called gynoecium. So if you watch thoroughly, then you can understand very clearly, oh my God, it's so simple. I can draw this, right? Without watching, if you are in hurry to draw, you may start from top to bottom, bottom to side. So observation is very, very important. Understood? Arey yaar, don't type so many things at once. Arey yaar, wait na. Amen. From Carmel. And ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ first concentrate on dear. I'll tell you all this. Don't keep on chatting here. Watch what I'm saying. Understood? I will tell you, I'll come to that point. First, you listen to me. Did you understand what I said? Second thing, what we see, I'm making you understand how to understand subject. You are busy typing. Don't worry. I will tell you all that. Right? So, observation, listening and observation important. Then, concentration. Concentrate on the subject. Right? When I'm talking and all, I see nowadays anyway online classes, on moving around, going around, eating food and coming back. What is this madam telling? I know all this. Again going. So, this is what is called carelessness. Don't do that. That will affect you very badly because you are unable to concentrate. This is the age for you. This is what we call it the adolescent age. You are in adolescence. Adolescence age is such an age where it's very difficult because your body is modifying. You have been converting from your childhood character to the adulthood. All hormones will change in your body. Hormones are changing, your thinking is changing, your perceptions are changing. Nowadays you don't like a lot of mothers and all, okay, yo magu anta idkodre ishta agalla. This is adolescent character. But this adolescent character is the time where you can make your career like anything. You can become good student also, bad student also. So adolescent age nalli nimma body nalli agiro whatever changes are happening in your body, they are happening. You keep watching them, that's it. But it is common to everybody because I see a lot of students saying, madam, I got menstrual cycle, I can't come to the class. See, this is every female problem, right? Not only one. So how to manage it? I will tell you. I am a biology person. I can tell you how to manage all this. What you have problem, you have to discuss with me. You can have our own group. We can discuss, madam, this is happening. This is what my health issues happening. I can try to suggest you something or something else I can do. Not only health, psychological things. We are very much with you, right? If my student is suffering something, dealing with some problem, I am also involved in it. I will involve and I will go through and I may suggest something. Okay. Therefore, don't think that something we are putting on your head like a big thing. No. We are taking you as our children, right? And you people will have to be free to listen to me and understand. And in this subject, if you are very good, then other things will be simple to you. And our brain is also very nice. When you start considering something, when you are really into the subject class, whatever problems are there, you forget it. Right? For example, I'll give you. You go to movie, watching a movie. You go to watch a movie. First, initially, it will be lot of things will be there. AC will be there. This will be there. Then when movie starts, if the AC is off, no fan also, you will not even understand what's happening. You will be watching like this. Why? Because that is how our brain is captured. Once you concentrate on something, you have a stomach ache, you have a headache, or all are gone. Why? Because our brain can concentrate on whichever is interesting. Therefore, you have to make this interesting here. This is very beautiful. Understand? Then it becomes interesting to you, right? And you start liking it more and more. Right? So, after concentration, what you have to do is you will have to practice it. Practice what I am saying. That is, so whenever the impulses will go to the brain, imagine this is a neuron. Nerve units are there. No, this is a nerve unit. Nerve unit, neuron will be there. You will receive the impulse from the nerve unit, the neuron from here. You go to the brain. This is called the sensory nerve. It will sense the thing, sensory nerve. So you are observing and all come under sensation. Afterwards, the brain will give a message in another way, where another neuron will take it down to your body. This will say, okay, you are seeing, you see that something is changing. Dog is changing. Then brain will say that now you should run. It is called the motor impulse. It gives the message away from the brain. Then you start running. Action is taken. Same thing happens. When I'm talking, you are listening. Sensory impulses are taken to the brain. In the brain, that is processed. Then we should practice for that. Process ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ drawing ಬರೆದ್ರು, ಹಿಂಗೆ explanation ಮಾಡಿ. Practice. Then you should recollect it. Recollect ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should keep writing, talking to people. Oh, the missing ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ it becomes a fixed thing. Otherwise, surface ಮೇಲೆ memory ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should recollect and write it again and again. Because cortical memory ಇರ್ತದೆ. Cortex, it should go to the deep into the medulla region of the brain. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ deep memory ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ minimum you need 10 time practice in it. You will not forget. Listen, write, practice, talk to somebody. Again, listen, practice. That's a way you can come up with any subject in this world. Nothing is impossible. If you understand your brain, work on it, anything is possible. Understood? So, this is recollection. After that, you should write a test. You should write test on all these things. Depends upon test. Test is compulsory to know that how much I have really absorbed. Your own test, not for somebody's sake you are doing. You are testing yourself. Then after that test you write. If we give evaluation and give you also evaluate your answers. Very important. You evaluate your ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How much I have written correctly, how much I have gone wrong. If you evaluate yourself sincerely, you will never do the mistakes if you have done already. Did you understand it? Evaluation ಅವಾಗ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಯಾಲಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೂಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. Here is the stalk. Here it has two openings, one suture, another suture. If you have at home, you just watch this. This is one suture, this is another suture. Here it is a beans. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು beans ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬಯಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದರ biological description ಬರೀತೀವಿ. This is coming under the legume type of fruit. Okay, what is the legume type of fruit? Now I'll go to the subject, biological subject. ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ subject. Okay, so biological ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಲೆಗ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಗ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಇದನ್ನ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಲೆಗ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಲೆಗ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ a stalk. Okay, it's like this. See how I'm drawing, you just keep watching. Okay, At the end, it has something like this and it has a stalk. This is legume fruit. Okay? Opening this is called the suture. So this is what I told you, observation. Whenever this fruit opens, you can open it like this. See, yavaglu flower ಅಥವಾ fruit idre adana dissect ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, illondu notch ide, illondu notch. These are called sutures. So when it get dried, it will open with these two sutures. Sutures andre ಆ stitches ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀನು open ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See? So I am opening the fruit. Can you make out? It is opening through two sutures. ಇದನ್ನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲೀರಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು I will draw it. See, this is what I am telling you, observation. If I open it, it is showing one ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, another one is like this. Well, you can see here seeds are attached here. This is called marginal plus. See how much depth you should watch it. Right? Illi attach agide idu. Idu marginal attachment anta karತೀವಿ. See how we are putting it in practice. This is a legume fruit. If I say it's legume, you will never forget. Define a legume fruit and the fruit which are one carpel, single carpel is there, which opens through two sutures and it has number of seeds attached on marginal placenta. It's called placenta. This is legume. This is how you have to watch, understand. Practically ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೋದು. Plant ಯಾಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ biology ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can bring it into the practice. You can observe clear results. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಇದು legume. Understood? Like that, lot of other things. Whenever you get the flower, you have to observe flower. Whenever you get the fruits, you have to observe fruits. Where is the seed? Where is the fruit covering? Everything. That is what we call it as the application of the subject. Subject na practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Practical knowledge is required. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗಿಡಗಳು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ. ಸಾಸಿವೆನ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಹಳೆ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಸಿವೆಗಳು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. They will grow into plants. Anyway, you will get at home free of cost. Right? ಇದು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟೆಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುವಂಗೆ ನೀವಲ್ಲೇ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ರೈಟ್? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we will start with what you require. Okay? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್, ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಬೀನ್ಸ್. What is sasve? Sasve is mustard. Sauba and all, I'll keep telling you all these things in both the languages because it is more entering into your brain when it is your own language. I will do both. What concept you want here? Okay, now listen, I'll start with the subject. I'm going to revise the whole thing. Okay? Fine then. So, did you understand how I have converted the theory into practicals? One drawing, one plant, everything I am combining. Take the mustard seeds and grow them. You will start getting the plant, then you will understand what I am talking. Right? So, what you have to maintain is you have to maintain 2 books in biology. 200 pages, 2 notebooks. One for botany, one for zoology. Are you getting? Somebody even asking questions. Okay? Botany and zoology, 2 notebooks you have to maintain, 200 hard bound notebooks. Remember, right? So one for botany, one for zoology, both of them. Okay? This you require 200 page hard bound notebook. Hard bound is the outer covering should be hard because you have to draw a lot of diagrams. And you need to have BOTANY, botany. You need pencils, mainly pencils of HB type, 2B, then 3B for shading. One pencil also you can have. This is a regular pencil. Pencils. Then you need a ballpoint pen. Ball pen, why? Because you need answers to be written in ballpoint pen, because sometimes if something happens also, if it is a ink pen or gel pen, it will flow off if the water falls on it. Therefore, better practice in writing ball pen, ballpoint pen, right? And if you are using the book, hardbound book, you can use the unruled or ruled. Ruled, okay, or unruled also okay. Unruled, but better ruled let it be, because margins are there. Ruled you keep it. Unruled margins are top to bottom you start writing. Therefore, better have a ruled book so that you can draw it correctly in the after the margin, right? Then apart from this, you need a dissection box. Dissection box having, if not dissection box, if you don't have this also, then you can have just small brushes. That's a paint brush and forceps. Then you have to have a slides, watch glass, that's all, cover glass. If you don't have dissection box, don't have to buy. Only these things separately are available. This is for the practical portions. Whenever you put a lab, we need to have all this. Small thin brushes and all you require. Some cloth and all you should take it. Right? This is what the practical part. Ballpoint pen and all those things are given. Okay, done. Then one thing is your brain should be with you. Right? Fine. So let us begin. Any doubts? What doubts? Now I used intervaled book for writing. What is intervaled? Intervaled book, I don't understand. You don't use red pen. Red pen you don't use. King size, yeah, king size you should use a book. Neuron concept, I'll explain in neuron concept later when it comes, okay? One side rule, one side unruled also is fine, but better you don't have to use it. Anyway, we get records, get practical records in the college where you will have that ruled and unruled. What is that after brush? It's a forceps, slides, watch glasses, cover glasses. You are giving after each video. Ma'am, where should we write the notes? Yes, I will give notes. Long notebook only is better. Long notebook with hard bound character. It should be hard bound. Don't use the soft ones. Hard bound is cardboard sheet notebook here. Thick hard sheet should be there outside. Okay, done. So all those things are basic things. Now we'll move on to this. I am not going to give notes. When I start the subject only, I give notes. Correct? Now listen. So 5 minutes left. Some of the back classes I'll give you. What we have done till now is a big chapter under botany. Okay. What is the chapter we have done or we have finished? It is morphology of flowering plants. This is what we have done. This is the chapter where we learn all the plants which are available, they are flowering and their characteristics, right? What I did in this, in the first video, I explained you how is a typical plant. What are the characteristics of typical plant? Okay. Second, I gave you about the root system and the root modifications in different plants. Third one, I gave you the stem and its modifications. Fourth one, I gave you leaf and its types and modifications. Fifth one, I gave the inflorescence, the bunch of flowers, types of inflorescence, types and okay. Sixth part, I gave the flower, where I gave the taxonomic description of the flower. Okay, this is a big one actually. This is a more bigger one. You have to watch other things. You have to also. This is very important for you. This is very important. Okay, flower. Then seventh one I gave the fruits. Just I was explaining, almost around 15 to 20 types are there in this. Eighth I gave about the taxonomy families. Just write down all these videos you have to watch. Take them down, and now any book you have with you, you take them down and draw them. Write them. If you have watched all this, now watch glass and cover glass, sauva, cover glass. I tell you how they look and all later. Right now, don't worry about that. Right now, just I'm introducing you to the subject. Prithvi Madiwal, I can see you. You mute your video. Seventh one is fruits and 20 types of fruits. Just take them down now. So a lot of people have network problem. You have to see the video. After this is recorded, no, it will come. Now you don't buy anything, ma. We don't know how long the lockdown is there. Let us not worry about all these things to buy. Only buy the notebooks, pen, pencils. That's all. Sauba. Don't worry right now. Now you don't buy notebooks and all. Where you get it, you don't know. Right now, only pen, pencils, erasers and all will be prepared. I'm talking the whole year. When the college starts, all those things will happen. Prithvi, that girl, you switch off your video. Yeah, those things, your parents' mobile, the number, there will be the link sent to you from our office. All recorded videos. Other children tell him where you will get the link of the videos. That girl Prithvi Madiwal is simply switching on her video and showing me. Others, please tell him where you will get the videos. I'm sorry. They will chat here. YouTube on WhatsApp, they will have a group. They will send a link. See, Rokia is writing. In the batch 2 group. EduShrine batch 2. They will send the videos in the group. See, all of you, watch what they are writing. Those who have not watched it, through that, you can watch the videos. EduShrine batch, madam. Okay, good. That Prithvi, can you hear me? Prithvi Madiwal. Why you are switching on your video? Batch 2 group. Okay, done. Understood? So let us begin with the subject. Okay, done. If you have doubts, contact in the group. Yeah, contact the group admin. They have created our own group from our office only. You need not to create any group right now. Right now, not required. Office group is there. You can ask them, or our directors, sir, you can ask. They will tell me whether you have doubts, which part you have doubts. Their parents will be knowing, they are spoken to Kiran sir. So you can tell anything, your queries are not to Kiran sir. He will explain you what to do. Okay. So I have done almost the things which these are the things we have done already. I'll give one by one some parts. If you have doubt, contact the group admin number someone have typed earlier. Don't want right now. You are Sauba. You talk to your parents. They will talk to Kiran sir. Okay. They will only talk to you. Or Pradeep sir is there from office. He will talk to you. Okay. But anyway, in the group messaging, you will get it. Is it fine? Okay. Now you forget all those. They are the customary things. Now we'll start with the subject. Typical plant I'll start, and how much of time I can is possible, I will finish some of the parts in this. Okay, done? Is it fine? Okay, so let me start with the new one. Okay, done. Okay, for one more thing, I'll tell you what is the use of PCMB, because I see a lot of students will be saying, I want to do engineering, I don't want biology and all. But why you have to take biology is, engineering means you are going to, suppose you do biology, I'm not saying anything negative, you have closed the biological doors for you. Means biology, we have so many doors. No, I told agriculture, P pharma or M pharma you have to do, or you can do paramedical courses. All those things are closed if you don't take a biology. If you don't have PCMB, very PCME or computer science if you take, what happens is electronics and all, you can learn in your physics itself in PCM. Physics only you can study. And moreover, if you go to higher level, means engineering and all, if you want to go, you want to become computer engineer also, PCMB students are eligible for that. Many of PCMB students also will go to engineering, right? Therefore, don't think that because I'm taking biology, I'm not able to go engineering. No, a lot of my students are PCMB students, they are very good engineers. But PCME or computer science, those are taken, they are restricting themselves to go to engineering only. Then we don't know whether they'll get electronics only in BE or not, or computer science only in BE or not. For you, there is an option. You can go to biological fields, or you can go here also, engineering, because both sides you get ranking. Are you getting it? So don't think by learning PUC computer science you become computer engineers. No. By studying electronics in PUC you will get electronic engineering. No, no weightage. There is no weightage for those who are taken only electronics along with PCM or computer science. They will have no weightage in engineering, clearly. But PCMB you are taken means you can even write that, you can write this, engineering, medical, agriculture, everywhere you can go. Okay, so that's a future I'm telling you, right? Biological future is very big because we have a lot of other options also. I told you genetic engineering we have, biological engineering we have, then we have marine biology, marine engineering. Those are which you don't know. We have dairy, we have poultry, we have anthropology. See, so many fields are there. Then the pisciculture, then sericulture, then apiculture. These are all the fields now. They are all flourishing, right? But my students who were earlier, they are in all these fields: marine biology, marine science, study of marine science, and all they are doing in so many other areas. Like one of my students is there in oceanography. There is an oceanography in Goa, right? He is doing his research there, right? Why I'm saying, because you don't restrict yourself. Okay, this is only, but learn it thoroughly. You have a lot of options waiting for you. Understood? All of you. So don't ever bother about, oh, I was not interested, parents forced, nothing. You should get interest because you want to learn yourself here. You need not to worry about anything else. Learn yourself thoroughly, properly, and you can learn how to be healthy also. Why you are inside, why you got the worried about COVID, why you have bothered about Corona, all those things you can learn, get knowledge in biology. Get it? Okay, let me start with the first unit as typical profile. Okay, if it is not completed, you watch all the videos. By the time next time, one more I may take and try to finish these classes. Is it fine? 1 or 2 classes I will take. Then we will finish it. But anyway, before that, you have to watch the videos. All of you. Those who are not watched should watch the videos. Is it fine? Then only you will be able to understand. Because now when I am explaining you the details of the small things, whatever I am giving you, like in short summary I am giving you, I will not give much notes. Okay? Just you need to watch all the videos, not only biology, all other subjects also you have to watch. It takes time to watch all those. So you don't want to watch others. You want it to be like a small shortcut. You should watch. What else other thing you are doing? Others. Right? What other things you do? Cooking and all at home. Huh? You tell important. All are important here. I told all are important videos only. There's nothing called important video. It's not important video. If it's not important, I wouldn't have done only. Don't tell me. You have to watch. Daily you watch. Yes, you can finish in 1 week. I'll give time now. 1 week you take. Finish it. Watch them and finish them. Right? You have to watch. Right? But don't think me to explain the whole thing in detail. No. I'll give you in short what we have done. But when we start next chapter, it's like common to all of you. Okay? You watch it. It's gist I am giving now. Okay? If I do the gist, then you can easily understand. But watch them in serial order. Don't watch third one first, then fifth one, then first one. Don't do that. Watch them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That way. Date wise. Where is Adarsh? Adarsh is scared of watching videos. How much time you spend on your mobile games, you know that. I see a lot of children. The continuously will be doing something, exercise on the video only. All the day doing, fightings and games and all. You don't play means you have to watch easily. If you don't play, is nice, nah? If you don't play, then for you it's very easy to watch our videos. Watch the videos not because you are late, because you need to have knowledge. I am giving you gist of all those. Are you getting it? I will give. I am not denying it. I will do it. But better you watch once videos to understand. Okay, fine. You will be watching it then. Now let's start about the first unit. What is the first unit I am dealing with? That is about the botany portion. The chapter 1. The morphology of flowering plants. Morphology of flowering plants. We are watching this now. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, we are starting with the subject. Getting it? Did you get it? What I'm saying? Okay. Listen. See, one thing I'll tell you, all of you. When you have entered to learn the subject, you spend 1 hour, 10 hours, 24 hours, don't make any difference. You want it, right? Because you have to swim. Therefore, what I'm telling is hard work will give you good fruits. Therefore, don't get scared or worry about so much time I'm spending. What else you have? To watch them, I am also giving you some gists, right? Don't worry about it. You get doubts, you ask me. When I come to the next class, madam, this I didn't understand. I'll explain. But before you should see it. But apart from that, now I'm giving you gist. With this background, you can go and watch easily. First one. Morphology of angiosperms. So what is it? Okay. Now you don't keep on typing anything. Okay. Listen. Those who want to leave the class and all should have a genuine reason to give to the sir. Should get permission. Okay. I don't give you permission. Right? Because see already you are leaving the class. It's your wish. Now we'll talk about the morphology. What is morphology? It is the external appearance. Right? How I look is my morphology. How the plants look is their morphology. They will have a stem, they will have a root, they will have a leaf, they will have flowers. It's a morphology. Appearance. 2 eyes, 1 nose. how it looks. That is morphology. It is the external appearance of an organism. That's morphology. Morphology of flowering. See, every chapter when I start, it's heading you should know. See, now you concentrate. Now I am giving subject. If you leave now, subject is gone. Never leave the videos in between and go. If you go, you will suffer. Understood? I am starting the subject, you want to go. My goodness. Subject has started now. Till now I was giving instruction how to learn the subject. Now subject is coming, you are living. Right? Listen. Morphology is the external appearance of an organism. Morphology of flowering plants, I said. Flowering plants are those which will produce flowers. The flowers are those organs that are involved in sexuality. Any plant that will have the sex organs in the flower is a flowering plant. They undergo pollination, fertilization, then they produce the seeds. That is called a flowering plant. So mainly the flowering plants, when I am talking here, we talk about something called angiosperms. These are the flowering plants. Right? Why did I say angiosperms? See, when I am talking now, you don't type anything here. I must come and watch it. Okay? Don't type anything, keep listening. Flowering plants are angiosperms. That means what are the angiosperms? So keeping this background, the flowering plants are mainly called angiosperms, which are now available. Mango tree, eucalyptus tree, coconut tree, all are angiosperms, which are more dominant. So how one angiospermic flowering plant looks like? So imagine you are sowing a seed. It's a seed. It will produce two outgrowths, one upwards, one goes downwards. So one goes downwards is called the radicle. This is called as a plumule. The plumule will grow into shoot system. Radicle will grow into root system. That's how the plants start producing. Okay? So, one typical plant when it is formed, radicle will produce the root system. What is the root system on drawing? Can you make out? This is the root. The first one in dipot plant, I am writing the typical dipot plant. Dipot means having two cotyledons. Dipot plant. This is typical dipot plant. It has this root system. We have the first root called the primary root. Its branches are called as secondary roots. Further branching is called as the tertiary roots. This root system is called as tap root system. This characteristic of all the dipot plant. Dipot means are those which have two cotyledons, like grams, like your groundnuts. They have two cotyledons. They come under dipots. So roots are like this in dicotyledonous plants. They will have a major root, and from that you will get number of secondary and tertiary roots. Correct? Now, what is the function of root? First is root helps in penetrating into the ground. It helps in absorbing the water and minerals from the ground. It helps in fixing the main plant to the ground, and it conducts whatever water absorbed above. This is the root function. One is penetration, fixation, absorption, and conduction. Four characters of roots. Okay. Now, here really produces the stem. This is the shoot system ending with the bud. This will have a number of constrictions like this. These are called as nodes. Constrictions are called as nodes. In between them, there is an internode. They will have small buds and sides also. These buds are called as axillary buds or the lateral buds. These are the axillary buds or the lateral buds. This is the tip. This part is the terminal or the apical bud. Okay. Then these will produce the leaf or flower or the fruit. Like this leaf is produced. Sometimes you get flowers also. Sometimes here there is a fruit. There is a flower here. There is a flower bud, flower bud, flower bud. This is a typical plant. Okay. This is the leaf. This is the fruit. This is the flower. And a bunch of flowers is called as inflorescence. Did you get it? This is a typical plant. Right? Did you follow while I was drawing? Did you understand this typical plant? Okay. Now we do one thing. You practice this. You draw this diagram. Notes you write it down from my video. Draw it. Write heading morphology of flowering plants. I won't explain it. It's a dicot plant. No, no, concentrate. Don't allow me to ask me to again and again explain this. I will explain you before you that you draw it. I'll explain you after that. It's a dicot plant. It is a mustard plant. You draw it and then I will explain again. Okay? As I have drawn this here, all these things. So I didn't draw anything here. You can draw one more leaf this side also. This is a typical dicot plant. Example, you write the typical dicot plant here. Typical dicot plant. Example is mustard. We call biologically this as Brassica gentiana. Okay. This is a typical plant. First you draw it. I want you to check your drawing abilities. I will tell you later. First you draw it. Okay, fine. Net got disconnected. What should I do, ma? After that, you take the video recording. What video recording is available? You can get it from that. You will get all that. Anyway, I will explain you later. First you draw this. Draw this. I want you to know the ability to draw the diagrams. Are you drawing? All of you should draw. Done, ma'am. Okay. So where is that roof? Yeah, I will explain you that again. Is it fine? Did you all finish drawing? When the college reopens, I will check you. Okay, now you understood how it is done, how it should be done. Okay, now if you want to write the explanation, how to write, listen. Somebody said no, not problem, listen. I'm re-explaining. The radicle of the germinating seed produces the root system. The plumule will produce the shoot system. First thing I told you. Then radicle produces the major root called the primary root. It produces the branches called secondary. It further forms tertiary roots. This root system is called taproot system, characteristic of all dicot plants. What are the functions of root system? Total root system. They help in penetrating into the ground. They help in absorbing the food, the water from the ground along with the minerals, not food. Then conduct it upwards. They help in fixing the plant body to the substrate. Fixation, absorption, penetration, and conduction. 4 types. Now, shoot system will have a central stem. The stem will have small constrictions. These are called the nodes. Between the constrictions, what you have? These are the internodes. This part is internode. Internode. And these buds are there. Na? These are called as the axillary buds or lateral buds. Axillary buds. This is called as the apical bud. The present, they are helping in growth. At the tip they grow, apical bud. Axillary bud will produce a branch or the leaves of the flowers. Okay. Then, now I am explaining you. Constrictions called nodes. In between constrictions, there is internode. This will have the leaf, the green flattened part of the plant, which helps in photosynthesis. Buds are the growing regions. Then there is an inflorescence. The bunch of flowers is called inflorescence. They have a common stalk. At the base, some of the flowers would have converted fruits into fruits. These are the flowers. These are the flower buds. This is called an inflorescence. So flowers are the sexual reproducing organs of the plant. They normally contain male and female sex organs. Is called flower. Understood this? So let me give you one flower. One flower will have a stalk, the swollen part, sepals, petals, female sex organ gynoecium, male sex organ androecium. These are the parts of the flower. This is called sepal. This is called the petal. This is called the stamen or the male sex organ. This is called the gynoecium. Okay, this is about the typical flower. Flowers help in sexual reproduction. That's about the flower. It's a dicot plant. Got it? Now we talk about the time item. This you draw and just whatever I told, one point you write on your own now. In my video, I given 4 notes for this. Now you write first heading, points. I'll give you questions on this. You have to write the answers for the questions. Okay? Right, question number 1. First question. What is radical? Are you writing? What is radical? Are you writing? Second one. What is the function of apical bud? The function of apical bud. or the terminal bud. Or the terminal bud. Next, define a flower. What I told you, it is the sexually reproducing part of a plant. Next, write 4 functions of root system. Root system. Done? Type the questions. If you know answers, still we have time. Type first question, write answer. First question, answer. Let me see. You are writing. I want to know how many are concentrating. Okay, what is a radical? Answer. Shifa. What's a radical? What you understood by my talk? Whatever I told, that only I was saying. The part of the seed which grows into roots, very good. It is the outgrowth of the seed germination. So it is the outgrowth produced on seed germination that grows into root system. Very good. That's very good. Okay, good. Okay. Now, second question. What is second question? Good. Priyanka is good. Shifa, everybody is writing properly. Primary root is elongated. Anta em bekagilla. Okay. Part from where? It is a part of the seed germination outgrowth that grows into root system. You don't worry about subject, all those hormones and all, I never spoke about it. All the extra things now you don't ask, don't talk. Radical is a part of the seed that develops into root system. So part of the germinating seed, you add that word. Part of the germinating seed that grows into root system. Good. Right. Second question. Second question. What is the function of apical bud or terminal bud? Yes, tell me. Answer. It looks so simple, like this only you will learn all of them. Write the function. What is the function of apical bud? It helps in the growth at the tip of the plant. It increases the tip of it helps in elongation of the tip of the plant. Okay, growth at the tip. You should add it. Arey beta, Preetu and all auxins. No, don't worry. We will talk about the auxins and all. Don't worry about the auxins and all right now. I will understand how much you people have the subject with you only when we enter the subject. These are the growing regions of the stem that present the thick, increase the stem. Okay, very good, very good. That's correct. What is the third question? Define a flower. What I told you. It is a sexually reproducing part of the flower. Very good. That's nice. Varshita is right. Priya Darshini is right. Priyadarshini has written well. Varshita, Shifa, good. Okay, it's a sexually reproducing organ of a flower. What is the next question? Correct, Sanjay. Good. Functions of the root system. Tell me, what are the 4 functions of root system? Fixation, absorption of water. Correct, good. Sharjit is right. Nimisha is right. Absorption of water and minerals, absorption, penetration. Holds, very good. All of you are writing so fast, very good, man. Amulya is written, holds the soil, absorption of water and conduction, good. Fixation, nitrogen fixation, I didn't tell you. In all, Sanjay, you are going too much subject into the subject. Nitrogen will not be fixed in any plants, all the plants. No, absorption, penetration, fixation, and conduction. 4 you should tell. Absorption, fixation, conduction, and penetration. Jivan is right. Good, Jivan. Madhya is also Madhya is right. Fixation, absorption, penetration, conduction. Good, good, good. So all of you are writing well. Okay. Reserve food is secondary. Right now, main functions I am talking. Okay. Right. So it's time up now. It's 1 o'clock already. 1.2, 1 hour, 1 o'clock. It's 2 minutes extra. We will again do one more or two more classes to come back to the regular thing. Understood, right? Okay. Study well like this. Don't go ahead. Be present at that moment. Everything becomes simple. Don't mix up the things. Go through all videos. Very important. Okay. See you. Bye. All the best to you all. Welcome to our board of EduStyle. Okay. Bye. Thank you, dear. Bye bye. See you. Enjoy. Enjoy the subject. Okay. Bye, dear.